it's Mara from Houseplants, New Jersey. So now I've been wanting to do this for a while. So I got a lot of stuff from the dollar store. I have these containers. They're like big boxes and stuff. I have a shelf above my window that I used to put like wine glasses in and stuff, and it just doesn't function. Like, I don't use these. I don't take them down. So like, why am I keeping all this crap? So what I will keep, what I will take down are my gardening supplies. So I did order from the dollar store just now. I got a ton of these Tupperwares. I got a lot of Tupperware, and I got a lot of lids and stuff like that. So I really want to put my fluval stratum, this big giant bag that like just spills everywhere and stuff like that. You kind of want to like put them into this. So this is what we're going to do in this video. It's like a cleaning video. So I'm going to get this out of the way. I'm going to pour this fluval. I want to see how much it goes in here. So we're going to fill it up. One. Then we got another one. Two. And we're done. And I don't have to worry about fluval stratum all over my house anymore. This is amazing. So I'm going to throw this away. We're going to put these lids on it. And that's it. We're done. Snap them in. Then we're going to do the other stuff that I use all the time. So I'm going to put them in this box. You see this box right here? I'm going to put them in here. 1 and 2. We're putting them in. That's it. So now we're going to do perlite. Perlite. I got an open bag right here of perlite. We as plant people, we're not like the neatest people. Like, all this stuff is all over our house and on the floors, and we're stepping on it, and or it's in the closet and we pull it out, and it's never like. So let's try to be a little bit more organized. So we got perlite in this one. All right, so I spilled it all over the floor. And then got another one here. We're going to just spill it everywhere into the container mostly. Try to. All right, that's it. I mean, then I have another one I'm going to spill it into. I mean, these are the things that we use the most of. Okay? So the perlite, the fluval, we use a lot of this crap. We gotta like really condense it. So these are done. I got 3 things of perlite now. So I think I'm good for a while. Now I have worm castings. The worm castings we're going to be putting in here. And that fills up halfway. Perfect. I have a whole nother bag of worm castings. I don't need to open it yet, but at least I have it here. Okay? So I have my worm castings and I have my mosquito bits. Wait, these things are weird. Like, if you don't close them a certain way, they're not going to close. Okay. These are the worm castings. We're going to be putting them in here. All right? Put them on the side. Then mosquito bits. I'm just going to throw them in the side. Like, I can keep them in that because they're resealable bags. So I'm just going to throw it in the side. And then I have a whole nother thing here. But I don't have to be pulling out a million things to just use the things I use every single time. Actually, I might use this for the perlite and for the worm castings. Just in these two. All right. Now I have no bags left, and they will be hidden and they will be looking a lot more organized. So garbage. Everything's garbage. And then the rest of it, we're just going to stack it up and we're going to be good. All right. So if you like this video, like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you have any comments on how to organize a little bit better for your stuff that you use all the time, I don't know what you use all the time. This is what I use the majority of the time, but let me know if like you use all this stuff all the time, because I know perlite I use all the time. I know fluval I use all the time, and I know worm castings and mosquito bits I use all the time. Now with the other stuff I use like the chunky mix and I use the bags and stuff, but those are bigger bags. Like I can't put a chunky mix into a little container like this. So we're just going to have to leave that as is. And that's pretty neat. I have to say that's actually very neat. But the rest of the stuff, this is all the stuff I use all the time. All right. Have a good night.